Today's topic is about leukotrienes. It is one of the eicosanoids. So it is of different variety A, B, C, D. Basically, these leukotrienes, particularly LTB4, is produced by the neutrophils. They are produced from the arachidonic acid, which is also containing 4 unsaturated bond, and it is omega-6 fatty acid. The number 4 denotes that there are 4 double bonds in the structure. It is also considered as a most potent chemotactic agent. What is chemotactic? It is a factor attracting cell to the inflammatory site. So they are basically helpful to prevent or stop further infection. As well as the slow reacting substance of anaphylaxis contains that LTC4, that is leukotriene C4, D4 and E4. Now they cause smooth muscle contraction, constrict the bronchioles and produce vasoconstriction. So all the effects of anaphylaxis are mostly from the effect of leukotrienes. So this slow reacting substance is a mediator of the hypersensitivity reactions such as the asthma, and these are the main responsible factor. So LTB4 is a potent inflammatory molecule through its action on the neutrophils. Now exactly how it is produced. So arachidonic acid, which is mostly present in the cell membrane. So in the presence of oxygen and this enzyme 5-lipooxygenase, it is converted into the 5-HPETE, that is hydroperoxy eicosar tetraenoic acid. You have to remember H means hydroperoxy eicosar tetraenoic acid. Further, it is converted into the leukotrienes A synthase enzyme into the leukotrienes A4. It is again containing that 4 unsaturated bond and 1 H2O molecule is removed. Again this A4, leukotrienes A4 will be converted into the leukotrienes B4, that is with the adding of 1 water molecule. Now this LTA4 is converted now into the leukotriene C4 with the help of glutathione molecule. Glutathione is converted into the glutamic acid and simultaneously LTA4 will be converted into the LTC4. Further, this leukotrienes B is converted into the leukotrienes D. Now, this D is also able to convert into the leukotrienes E by removing of glycine molecule. So that is exactly how different kinds of leukotrienes is produced in our body. Now, one more thing, that is lipoxin. So that is called the LXA4, which is also important molecule which is derived from the leukotrienes. So this HPETE, that is also sometime converted into the HETE, that is hydroxyeicosar tetraenoic acid with the help of peroxidase enzyme. Now, this 5-lipooxygenase is mostly found in the neutrophils, while 12-lipooxygenase in the platelet and 15-lipooxygenase in the eosinophils. So that is exactly how these leukotrienes is produced by the different cell. Now, this lipoxin produced mostly by the leukocyte. So it is considered non-classical eicosanoids because all these are containing 20 carbon fatty acid produced from that 20 carbon, produced by that 5 and 15 lipooxygenase enzyme same, but this lipoxin is the most common variety form which is found. It is an anti-inflammatory and decrease immune response which is opposite to the leukotrienes. So that is all about the leukotrienes and lipoxin. It is most important topic for the viva purpose.